I'm in Vernon Hills at the brand new Atworth at Mellody Farm, panning around the courtyard for a look at the new retail dining destination that's developing here at Mellody Farm. Whole Foods is here, REI, Nordstrom Rack, and under construction is space for a raft of restaurants and additional shops. It's a fabulous location, really at the intersection of Illinois 60 and Milwaukee Avenue. Hawthorne Mall is across the way, Target is nearby, Walmart is across the street virtually. Endless retail and convenience here. Heading inside for a walk through one of Sweet Home Chicago's apartments here. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath on the first floor. Has high ceilings. It's a very gray day, but you can still see it's a corner unit, so it's bright. Terrific one-wall kitchen. There's a French door, stainless steel refrigerator, a pantry cabinet, built-in microwave, a breakfast bar island, very functional layout, set up with a dining table and a home office desk. And every imaginable countertop appliance, cutlery, dinnerware, glassware that you're going to need to feel right at home. You have a 5-burner gas range with a griddle cooktop, ton of cabinet and counter space, 42-inch upper cabinets. This is a room with a great feeling. Heading into the master suite, a king-size bed, another flat panel TV, a large walk-in closet with custom organizers, and a very appealing master bath. Double vanity, twin mirrors, large walk-in shower, bank of drawers in the vanity cabinet for storage. Master has great separation from the other 2 bedrooms, where you would have entered the unit. You have a hall closet and full-size side-by-side washer dryers. Second bedroom, set up with twin beds. Again, you're going to find custom organizers in the closet. Third bedroom, very generously sized room with good closet space. And finally, there's a guest bath. Very appealing finishes, high ceilings for a bathroom, tile that goes up to the ceiling in the tub surround, and attractive, slightly contrasting tile on the floor. You probably noticed that there's wide plank, dark stained flooring that extends throughout the unit. This is a place where you could feel comfortable staying for a while. The Atworth has a landscape central courtyard with a pool, a grilling area, and a bocce court. The courtyard is adjacent to a large 2-story resident lounge with a bar, multiple seating areas, and a fireplace. The second level of the lounge has a billiards table, ping pong, shuffleboard, and a great view over the lower level. The fitness center has a variety of cardio and strength training equipment and an adjacent yoga studio. Sweet Home Chicago's furnished apartments at the Atworth are a sweet deal.